channel. It's me, Lasagna with Miss Doll's Handmade Creations, and today I come here with another Diamond Art Club. Oh my gosh, hold on. Another Diamond Art Club unboxing, and this is the one, second one. I know y'all saw the video where I said I was going to seize the day. Well, while I was there, I saw another one. And I've been seeing, I saw one lady finish it, and the way she put the sparklers and all that in, I was like, oh man, I need to get that. So again, that's how much it costs. Well, that's how much it was at Hobby Lobby, but it was on sale for 40% off again. And I got this one. This one is called the Bluebird Song. Jeez, it's another Chuck Pinson. It is a round. Let's get into it. I'm excited for this one too. I'm getting these chucks, baby. Loving it. All right, let's see. Okay, everything's out of the box. Of course, another warranty. I'm loving when you get it at Hobby Lobby, you get the warranty. You get your sticker. Again, your kit, your normal kit, and I'm feeling around for placers. Because I know some people are saying they're getting placers in it and some don't. I think they stopped doing it, but there I still see the 2 wax, the boat, the squishy, the blue drill pen, and baggies. Normal. And here she is. Well, he is, whatever you want to call it. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my gosh. I love the bluebirds. I love the horse. You could tell that's the barn. That's the home there. I love the wishing well. Look at these beautiful violets along the fence. Look at this cute little rabbit. He's in the garden. That's corn stalks. Oh my gosh, I just love this. This is very pretty. Again, this is a round. It is 71 by 56, 28 inches by 22 inches. It is a round with ABs. There are 50 colors in this one, and it looks like it has 2 ABs, 129 and 136. The Bluebird Song. Isn't that beautiful? Let's get into this baby. I want to see it up close. You know, it ain't the same when you see it on videos, but I love to see the videos because it convinces me to get it, you know. Beautiful drills, the instructions with a coupon code. Let's roll it the other way. So we get to lay down a little better. Oh my goodness. Yes. Move this chair back a little bit. I'm loving the rolling on my chair. All right, let's look at this baby. Oh my goodness. Very nice. Look how big this barn is. OMG. I love the barn. With the little horse head sticking out. This is too cute. Look at the red house. I'm loving that. And you can see the sweating. You can see the bluebirds, guys. Look how beautiful the bluebirds are. And they're big. When you see it on the picture, you think they're, they're small. Look how big these are. That is a big bird. These are beautiful. There's a robin here. I think I saw a bird over here somewhere. Let me see, look at the picture. Yeah, he's in the corn. You can't see him right now, but I think that is a robin right here. There's a robin here on the vegetables. Look at the little bunny rabbit. And drop the drills back there. The bunny rabbit here peeking out. He eating them carrots. This is so pretty, and look at the violets. Oh my goodness. Just gorgeous. So let's go ahead and lift it up. Drill fill, of course. Always clear, always beautiful. And you can see it here. Round AB, the Bluebird Song. Get the size. It is a Chuck Pinson by Diamond Art Club. So let's get this baby straight. Yes. I mean, it is so, it's sticky. I didn't check the other ones, but you know how Diamond Art Club fashion, honey, they're gonna be sticky. Love it, love it, love it. Let's get to this side. Yes. I've noticed these little divots you see in there. It's still sticky. If y'all ever wondered that when you see those reflections, that's still sticky. It's probably just how the glue dried. The poured glue. But it's still sticky. That doesn't affect anything. I said something about that on one of my videos before. Yes. Yes. This is so beautiful. Alright, let's get into those drills, which I knocked on the other side over there. Of course, it's labeled. Y'all know I love that. Let's get into these babies. I'm loving my chair. How many times I'm gonna say that, but I'm loving it. Oh my goodness, guys. I wish my AC would hurry up and cool this thing off. Jeez. Okay. I usually leave it on, and it's been cold at night, so I've been leaving it off. But today, it must be warming up out there because it's hot in here. Let's get to the side. Let's see how many trains we got today. 1, 2, 3. Yes. All right. Let's look at these beautiful drills. Diamond Art Club only makes beautiful ones, in my opinion. All right. Let's get to it. Remember, in Chuck Penson's, I've always liked there's a lot of landscaping and water and things like that. So you're always going to get a lot of greens and browns and blues. So here we go. 890, 300, 814. 905. Oh, that's a pretty green. 333. That's a beautiful purple. 699. 310. Oh yes, look at that. One bag of 310. Be happy about that. 938. 3746 and 3371. That's a chocolate there. A long train. Then we got 413. That's a dark gray. 904. 783. I couldn't see the number. 436. 355. 779. 799. Did y'all know why I paused? I know y'all know why I paused. Look at those numbers. I thought I said it, and I was like, wait a minute. 799, that's 779, and then 799. Because I was like, why are they different colors? They're different numbers, though. Oh my goodness, our first AB, and this is a nice size bag. It's 129, and that is a yellow. It's a light yellow. That is so pretty. I'm thinking the same color was used like in Seize the Day. That'll be amazing, because then I'll have more left over. I know this is not going to be, you won't use all of them. I love that they give you extras. 775, that is a beautiful baby blue. 318, 154, 321, 400, 3770, 414 is a gray. 415 is a lighter gray. 317 is another gray. Wow. So this is very dark, medium, and light gray. That's going to be some good, beautiful shading. 155 purple, 498, and 420. One more train, and we got one more AB we're supposed to be seeing. So let's see. 356, 3854, 322, 797. Ooh, that purple is pretty. That's like a purple blue or blueberry. Like a blueberry color. That's what it looks like. 3860, 3772. You know that number. That is a real bright red. 550. Ooh, I might have to order 550. I'm waiting for an order to come in from DP with diamonds, and I ordered a lot of ABs with different colors. I'm thinking I might have ordered 550. That'll be awesome. Yay, there's our second AB. Oh, that's so pretty. 136, and that looks like a blueberry. Let's see. Well, it's just, that's more purple. The 136 is a little bit more purple than that one. But look at that extra coating, guys. What? That is so pretty. I love when it's got the AB on it. That's just that extra little shine. 832, 3861, 3325, 340, 3830, 823. And this is like a very dark blue. 823. It looks black, but it's not. 728. That's a beautiful yellow. Might be the sun. 3864. 915. Ooh, that looks like a raspberry pink. That is so pretty. Orange. That's a very bright orange. 947. That's pretty. And then 798. Blue. Yes! Oh my gosh. I keep looking at this ABs here. Let's see where these babies go on the canvas. Amazing. Let's see. Alright. So, if we're looking at the canvas, number 1 is 129, and that's that pale yellow. So number 1's pale yellow all throughout the barn. 1's all here. This little light yellow that you're seeing. Oh my gosh. And I saw, I think it was, who was it? Was it Stitcherisa? I can't remember if it was her. She put some of the sparklers in it. And I was like, yes, I was sold on the sparklers. So I definitely got the gold sparklers. And the y'all will see them when they come in. I haven't gotten them yet. But 1's here. Couple of 1's in here for the corn. Lots of 1's down here. All of this light color you're seeing in this yellow. Wow, that is a lot. Even over here, guys. 1's over here, all down in here where the violets are. Wow, that's gonna be nice. Very nice. And then number 2 is 136, and that is that blue color. I kept saying it's blueberry looking. So let's see where that is. Number 2. I was trying to see if any are up here. Like a blueberry. Number 2, no, those are not 2's. It looks like, okay, I see some here in the house, the red house. Some here in the windows. Number 2's. Some over here on this side of the barn. Here. Yep, several 2's there. In the violets. Of course they will be in the violets. Oh my gosh. These are beautiful. These are going to be beautiful. And let's see. Yep, all the way over here, all the way in these flowers, the violets over here. And then there's some in the bluebird. Oh my goodness, that's going to be beautiful. Now, I do not see any over here, but I'll probably change some colors. Just to give him a little bit of that violet as well. I'll definitely be doing that. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. So let me show you again what it will look like. Look at that beautiful picture. I can't wait to do this one as well. I love these, and my husband is very excited about me doing these because we both like the scene, the country. We live in the country, and I was raised in the country, and I love it. You just feel free. I feel like home, you know, I'm like at home, or the cabins that I see, because he and I both like that kind of thing. So he wants me to hurry up and get them done and hang them up on the wall. So I can't wait to get started on my next one. But anyway, y'all let me know what you think. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, bye-bye.